Hazrat Yunus bin Yazid said that Ibn Shihab informed him that it was reported from Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, said, at the outset, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw true dreams in his sleep. So whatever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would dream, it would get materialized in the morning. Then love seclusion was inspired in his heart. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would retire to the cave of Hira and worship therein. Tahannuthu means to worship for many nights. Before returning to the household, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would also take journey victuals along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would then return to Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha and take the like provisions along with him until the truth came to him while he was in the cave Hira. So the angel came to him and said, read. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, I am not a reader. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he then pressed me tight until I felt strain. He felt strain. He then releasing me said, read. I replied, I am not a reader. So he pressed me for a second time till I felt strain. He then releasing me said, read. Whereupon I said, I am not a reader. He then pressed me tightly for a third time till I felt strain. Then releasing me said, read with the name of your Lord, who created, he made man from the clot of blood. Read, for your Lord is the most generous, who taught writing by the pen, taught man what he knew not. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned with awed and throbbing heart and reached Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha and said, envelop me in a blanket, envelop me in a blanket. So she wrapped him in a blanket until his fear melted away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha, I am fearful of my life. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam narrated her the whole episode. Thereupon Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha said, if it is so, then congratulations. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never humiliate you. For by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you bolster up the ties of kinship, speak the truth, share the burden of others, earn for the disabled, entertain your guests and render the aid during the catastrophes which befall in the way of truth. Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha then took him up to Warqa bin Nawfal, her cousin, who embraced Christianity during the pre-Islamic period of Christianity and would write Arabic. He would write in Arabic form from the Gospel whatever Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. He grew extremely old and had lost his eyesight. So Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha said, O brother, listen to your nephew. Warqa bin Nawfal said, O nephew, what have you seen? So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him what he had witnessed. Thereupon Warqa said, this is the same angel whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had sent towards Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. Would that I were young, I wish I would remain alive. He then uttered another word. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, will the people banish me? Warqa said, yes. Whenever anyone brought the thing what you have brought, he was teased, and if I remain alive till that time, I will strongly support you. But after a few days later, Warqa passed away, and the revelation also passed for some days, till Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt grieved at it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4953.